Take a ride in the 2026 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, sliding rear window, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, tires, front all-terrain. Come see the car for yourself.